Hi Sobat Soki, welcome to science class. Today we are going to learn about rain. Do you know what is rain? Yes, rain is water that falls from the sky. But do you know how rain occurs? So friends, rain happens because of something called the water cycle. It all starts when the sun heats up water from oceans, lakes, and rivers. This water turns into vapor, which is like invisible steam and rises into the sky. When the vapor gets high enough, it cools down and turns back into tiny drops of water, forming clouds. As more and more drops gather, the clouds get heavier. When they get too heavy, the drops fall back to the ground as rain. That's how rain works. It helps plants grow, fills up rivers, and gives us water to drink. So friends, are you ready to do the fun activity? We will do a simple experiment to make a mini rain using plate, jar, warm